So another video and another safe, and this time around we're looking at our Pimlico 10K size 3 digital home safe. And as the 10K suggests, this safe is insurance rated for up to £10,000 worth of valuables or £1,000 in cash. This is the size 3, the largest of 3 sizes, and its dimensions are 500mm high by 355mm wide by 330mm deep. It weighs in at 24 kilograms and has an internal storage capacity of 47 litres. Operated with a digital keypad, which is battery operated with emergency keys that I'll go into in a sec. You can open the safe using your own personal code, which is somewhere between 3 and 6 digits. At the moment I think it's set on 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a look. It displays the digits. Yeah, that's it. So that's opening. And now there's a little handle underneath. We can just open the safe and reveal the internals of the safe. So that's the internal of the door, and the battery lives in there. It's just a little screw to change it. I'll just take this cover off to show you the battery changing. So I've undone the screw, and there are your batteries. Very, very simple to change, and they're 4 AA batteries, and we recommend industrial alkaline batteries as the best possible option. 2 shelves, and these shelves are actually fixed, although if it was a massive problem I suspect we can detach them. They're just riveted on, yeah, so we could, if you had a particular requirement for us to remove the shelves, we can. There's a little carpet that comes with the safe that I'm just going to remove. So the carpet's out now, and I've set it to one side, and we can see how the safe is physically anchored to your building. We've got these 3 holes in the base here, holes for small wood screws for joinery fix, and larger screws for proper bolt fixing, which we always aim to do. So it can be fixed down to the floor, and additionally there's also bolts or bolt holes in the rear for bolting to the wall. So let's have a look at those emergency keys that I mentioned earlier on, and that's where they are. They're a tubular type key design, and the keyhole that reveals the lock is behind this small cover, which we just peel off like so. And the key's going to go in thusly, and with the key in I just turn to the right and the safe is open. And if your batteries have gone flat, for example, that's the point where you just simply open this and change your battery and you're good to go. So this is us, London and Home Counties Safes, and it's londonsafes.co.uk. Check us out on the web. We will bring this to you, and we will supply and professionally install it for you in an unmarked van. Any questions, reach out on the website. We're waiting to talk to you. Thanks for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.